Most people think AI is coming for jobs someday. That's wrong. It's already happening. And it's not starting with the executives or the high-paying roles. It's starting at the bottom. The first to go are the jobs that used to be considered safe: juniors, interns, and assistants. The very roles designed for learning and growth. Right now, companies are using AI to do work that once required entire entry-level teams. Not because AI is perfect or creative, but because it's cheap, fast, and never complains. It can write emails, summarize meetings, and analyze spreadsheets in seconds. Jobs that used to take hours now take moments. Companies aren't announcing this. There are no dramatic layoff videos. They're just not hiring anymore. Job listings quietly disappear. Intern programs shrink. Teams get smaller. From the outside, everything looks normal, but the bottom layer is gone. This is a problem, because those entry-level jobs were the pipeline for future leaders. Without them, the whole structure starts to weaken. It's happening slowly, silently, and then suddenly,